everlasting river of... So yeah, I guess it must be a good idea to walk on a nature walk today, huh?
Walk on nature walk. Oh.
You don't think we're gonna get lost, do you?
Nah.
I don't know. Some others may find this place familiar. Look at the water. Maybe you should lay off the milk.
I don't think we should go any further. What if we get lost?
I don't know. Honestly, I think we'll be fine. Let's keep going. Man, that was once a strong tree, and now it fell over. Like you last night after drinking the milk. I keep telling you stop drinking. Should we go straight? Or should we go right?
Make straight.
I guess straight it is. I mean, what could go wrong? I should never listen to you. Alright. This is how it starts. We're gonna go down there and we're gonna get crazy. We're not gonna get crazy actually, we're just gonna travel, you know. I mean, I know how we're gonna do it over there, it's pretty wet. Wait! Is that a bird? Oh, it's just a leaf. Oh wait, no! There's a bird! You know, that bird over there is probably like, oh, who is that? Don't keep drinking this water. Hey, stop looking at me. Like, come over here and peck the shit out of you. Feed this water. Good water. Damn. Damn. Let me listen to my mother more. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. How did I find this? How did I find this? That dude was looking at me. It's kind of creeping me out. You probably think I'm strange. I'm sorry.
I think you're perfectly fine.
You think I'm fine?
I think you're a whale.
Oh, really?
I think you're a whale.
Did. Thank God we found these jackets. Look at this place. Maybe we should have stayed on the trail. I don't like this anymore.
What was that?
What was what?
Didn't you hear the loud noises?
Guess we gotta find out.
I should never listen to you.
How'd you get in front of me? That thing's still chasing us. I'm cold. I wanna go home. Wait, it looks like a tiki hut. Just kidding. It's not a tiki hut. I don't know what that is. But it looks like somewhere we can stay since it's raining now. Thank God these benches are so conveniently placed. I don't know. I think we're stuck.
Alright guys, we've been walking for like 5 hours now. We got chased by these crazy giant birds, but we found this walk. And maybe we'll be getting out soon. Maybe we're just gonna die here. Maybe those birds are gonna eat us, but damn it, we got this.